Tēnā koutou katoa. I'm Caroline Perry, NZ Director at Brake. Welcome to our session on taking part in Road Safety Week for companies and communities. So this webinar aims to give you an introduction to NZ Road Safety Week, some ideas for getting involved, and examples of what others have done for the week. We're incredibly grateful to the Road Safety Week sponsors, without whom we couldn't put on the week and provide free resources through our action packs, which I'll talk about a little bit later. So this year, our headline sponsors are NZ Transport Agency Waka Kotahi and Becca. Our Road Patrol Superhero Day for schools, which takes place during Road Safety Week, is sponsored by the AA. And we have a new Road Safety Week partner in Aoi Nisei Dawa as well. So we're really grateful to all of them for supporting Road Safety Week and helping us to continue to grow it. There are also lots of other supporting organisations who help to promote the week as well. If you need to brake, we're a road safety charity working to prevent road deaths and injuries, make communities safer, and providing free support for people affected by road crashes. So we work for safe and healthy mobility for all by working with schools and childcare centres, organisations and communities to raise awareness of road safety issues and campaign for improvements. We also provide free support to people who've been bereaved and injured in crashes. So currently we provide emotional support resources for adults and children, and we provide practical support information to adults as well. And you can find out more about our work on our website and social media channels. And if you'd like to make a donation to support our work, you can do that on our site as well. So what is Road Safety Week? If you've not been involved before, it's held annually each May, and it aims to inspire communities to take action on road safety and promote life-saving messages during the week and beyond. It also provides a focal point for professionals working in road safety to boost awareness and engagement in their work. So it's a great opportunity to promote work you might already be doing to create safer roads or to launch new campaigns that continue throughout the year. And to give you an idea of the scale of Road Safety Week, these are some figures from last year. So thank you to all those organisations who got involved. And we've grown the reach and involvement in Road Safety Week each year. And this year we want to grow it even further. So I hope you'll join in with the week if you're not already signed up. And please also encourage others to sign up and get involved too. This year, the week runs from the 4th to the 10th of May, and it's the 15th Road Safety Week that we've done. So we want to make it the biggest yet. The theme is Be a Road Safety Hero, which we've had for the last few years because the feedback has been really positive on that, and that it's easy to link lots of different messages to that hero theme. So it recognises all those who work to make our roads safer or support people following a crash, and highlights how everyone can play a part in making roads safer as well. So if you're already registered for the week, unless you signed up in the last few days, you should have received the link to the electronic action pack of resources and activity ideas. If you signed up recently, you'll receive that action pack shortly. And in the pack, there are resources and activity ideas to help you get involved in the week, from posters and social media images to help you raise awareness, through to activity sheets, quizzes and guidance on getting involved. We're also developing a few more resources which will be added to the online action pack. So if you haven't yet registered for the week, you can sign up for a free action pack on the website. And you'll also receive countdown bulletins every few weeks. So some of you may have received one this morning, and we'll have a few more coming up in the run-up to the week with just some further tips and extra resources for you to use, and also some examples of activities that others have run previously as part of the week as well. So as I mentioned, this year we're again recognising those working to make roads safer. There are lots of ways that you can celebrate your own road safety heroes. So these could be within your organisation, for example, staff members, people who drive for work, students like school road patrol and walking school bus volunteers, or they could be people in your local community like a local emergency services worker. And there are lots of ways that you can recognise them. It could be through holding an event to present your heroes with certificates and put up a display or share their stories in your comms. And we're also recognising people nationally. So Break is part of the Yellow Ribbon Alliance, a group of organisations working to raise awareness of road safety, and they're also involved in Road Safety Week. And the Alliance will announce the winners of the annual Road Safety Hero Awards during the week, and we'll be highlighting others online and on social media. So there's more information on how to nominate someone for the National Road Safety Hero Awards on the Yellow Ribbon website, and those nominations close on the 17th of April. This year they've been expanded to 3 categories. So there is a youth category for under 25-year-olds, community road safety hero, and a professional road safety hero as well. So please consider nominating people that you think are road safety heroes for those national awards as well. Another easy way to support Road Safety Week is to go yellow. So you could dress up in yellow, wear a yellow ribbon, decorate your building yellow, or help to get a local building or icon lit up for the week as well. So we've got icons being lit all around the country, such as the Auckland Harbour Bridge. And here are some previous pictures of the Sky Tower lit yellow, and also the Oamaru Opera House. There are lots of icons that light up around the country, but we are looking to continue expanding those. So if you've got any local to you that might be able to light yellow, please get in touch. And thanks to our partners at Becker, the Great Road Safety Week quiz will be happening again. This year, they're running it as a big online quiz, which anyone can join in with. So it takes place on Tuesday, the 5th of May at 10 a.m. And again, it's a really easy way to take part in the week and get your whole workplace involved. So you can join in individually as a team or with your whole workplace in the quiz. Becker are getting their staff involved with a yellow themed morning tea at all of their offices, and with staff invited to take part in the quiz at the same time. So that's another idea you could do, is to run a themed morning tea or have other road safety activities tied into the quiz too. And you could also run it as a fundraiser for Break. So further details on the quiz and how to join it will be available soon. And there will also be hard copy quizzes added to the action pack shortly as well. So there are lots of other ways to get involved in the week, and you can make your activities as big or as small as you like. You can raise awareness within your community, whether that's your company's staff and customers, local community where you live. If you're a company, you could incorporate road safety activities into training or meetings that take place during the week. Schools can incorporate into lessons or assembly, and there are lesson plans available in the action pack. And NZTA are also releasing a book and support pack for early childhood and young primary students for Road Safety Week this year as well. You could hold an event and put up a display or run a competition. If there are particular road safety issues in your community, you could raise awareness of those particular issues. And Road Safety Week can also be a good opportunity to update your road safety policies. So if you're a company, that could be health and safety, fleet and driver policies. For schools or community groups, it could be policies around off-site trips by vehicle or on foot. And we also have hard copy resources you can order to support your activities. So there's a classroom pack, an organisation pack, and other resources such as balloons, certificates, and t-shirts like the one that I'm wearing here. And now's a good time to order those so that we can get the resources to you in plenty of time for the week, given that postage can sometimes take a little while to get through. As a charity, the week is also a vital fundraising opportunity for Break. We rely on donations and fundraising to help us continue our work. So there are lots of easy ways to fundraise during Road Safety Week, such as holding a Go Yellow Day, where everyone wears yellow or other bright clothes in return for a gold coin donation. You could hold a bake sale, join in with the Great Road Safety Week quiz and run that as a fundraiser as well, or do some sort of sponsored activity. And there are more ideas in the action pack and on the Road Safety Week website. So on to some examples of what others have done or are doing as part of Road Safety Week. This year, the Australasian College of Road Safety is getting involved in the week by holding a road safety conversations event in Auckland and online with their CEO, Dr. Ingrid Johnston, as the keynote speaker. The Yellow Ribbon Alliance will also present the winners of the Road Safety Hero Awards with their trophies at this event. And there'll be an opportunity to view the Auckland Harbour Bridge lights in yellow for those who are attending in person. So it's free to attend, and you can book tickets on the website that's listed here. So the recording for this will be available, so you'll be able to view that website again after this as well. Our sponsors, NZTA and Becca, are involved in lots of activities as part of the week, both internally with their staff and externally in the community. I already mentioned the quiz that Becca produces. In addition, staff from both organisations, along with some of their contractor partners like Downer and Fulton Hogan, go out to primary schools around the country to deliver fun, interactive road safety activities that focus on safety around roadworks. So tying it in to some of their work that they do year round on road safety, but taking it out to their local communities. And Taupo District Council have been involved in Road Safety Week for a long time and have run various activities over the years, such as lighting the Love Taupo sign in yellow, which will be lit again this year. Art installations in memory of those killed in crashes. Last year, they had a yellow ribbon display around the lake in memory of road victims. Road safety days with other partners, hosting investigator type scenarios with the serious crash unit in schools, and customer facing staff in council buildings wearing yellow Road Safety Week t-shirts throughout the week. Northland has a group of agencies from across the region who work together to run activities. So in the past, these have included a Road Safety Hero Walk in Whangarei to celebrate road safety heroes, such as emergency services and road safety professionals, to remember those killed on Northland roads and highlight to the public how they can be road safety heroes. They've also run different radio ads and highlighted some of their local and community road safety heroes throughout the week by getting media involved in radio and in print as well. So that gives you a very quick roundup of some of the things that are available. You can go as big or as small as you like. As I say, you can do simple things like including Road Safety Week in your comms messages and helping to promote the week to others, through to arranging your own events or activities that involve your contacts and local communities and others. So you can find out more about Road Safety Week, this year's theme, and sign up for an action pack if you haven't already on our website. So I hope you found this information useful and interesting. Please do contact me directly if you need to follow up on anything.